पळोवया खबरो विस्तारान. गिरीश चोडणकर ज्या स्कॅमा बाबतींत उलयता तें काँग्रेसीच्या काळांत जाल्लें. चोडणकराक कितें उलयता ताचे सारके फॅक्ट खबर ना म्हूण भाजपाचो आमदार ग्लेन टिकलो उलयला. आरडेक्स्को खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
GPCC president of the Congress party, ताणें allegations केल्ले आसा on honorable chief minister in our government regarding SEZ land, special economic zone land they घेतलेले पळय ते. Actually, I want to make a mention. I refute it very strongly because this scam was created by the then government, Congress government then in 2006. And we, today, Honorable Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has resolved this matter, trying to resolve this matter. आम्ही हो विषय सोडोवपाक आम्ही फुडें सरलेले आसा आनी त्या बाबतींत आमी ते लँड आमकां परत मेळपाची ऑलरेडी जाल्लें आसा. आतां जो आमचो गिरीश चोडणकर उलयता हे स्कॅम केल्ले आसा, हे स्कॅम हांव एक्सप्लेन करता. माय एक्सप्लेन टू वॉट दिस स्कॅम अबाउट. एक्चुअली हे SEZ पॉलिसी came in the year 13/7/2006. पण हे सगळे लँड जागे at that point of time काढून एक 7 कंपनीक दिल्ले. And the Honorable Supreme Court made a mention that they demanded, 7 parties demanded 15%. So we said no. Whatever interest they accrued from that 120 crores, we will, from the 133 crores given to us, we will pay the interest. So based on that, the Supreme Court has disposed of the matter. Secondly, from 2011, when the matter came up, till date, till 2018, the matter never came up for hearing. Again, after the intervention of Honorable Chief Minister and the government of the day, the matter was brought up. And today, we are having the land, total area of the land was 38 lakh square meters. It was 38 lakh square meters. So you can imagine, all this land was given for just throwaway price at that point of time. There were a lot of irregularities, and it was allotment that was given was totally illegal. So that's the reason the party was the Supreme Court. So that was the issue. Though they, moreover, the land was given before the SEZ policy. As I told you, on 13/7/2006, the policy was in place. At Tajapoli, Tanjali Soglete, land almost 38 lakh square meters. There are about 20 lakhs in Verna, 12 lakhs in Kenya, and 2 lakhs in Sangwale.